This is a Kia 2019. I'm going to switch out the windshield wipers, and they connect with a hook or like a J-shaped piece. You can get the size to buy from your owner's manual from online. The stores usually have a guide, or you can take an old-fashioned tape measure, measure from end to end, including the bow, the bend. So mine is exactly 16 inches. Don't assume your wipers are the same size. I have a 26 inch and just a 16 inch. I positioned the camera to be looking up from the car, and I've lifted the wiper blade. Open up the blade like this. Up in here you see this little tab. Just push it down and then pull the wiper off of that hook. Just pull it down and you'll feel it snap out. And my new wiper has the exact same mechanism. Your wiper should also come with a pin and bayonet connector, which I don't need. So now I'm going to do the reverse. I'm going to take this new wiper, slide it under the hook, push it up until I hear that snap. And I'm all done. Very easy. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.